Nimehariria matimu ya bururi Harambee Stars aria mambite hama thukuru-ini wa KSMS mbere ya ngucanio yao na Balck Stars kuma bururi wa Ghana mbĩtĩka-inĩ cia kwihariria gĩtarũ-inĩ kia Africa na ĩrĩa ĩgathakwo muthi wa Jumamothi kiharo-ini gia Kasarani. Gatagati ka athaki 35 aria metĩtwo kambi-ini ya mehariria, athaki 21 nĩo marĩkĩtie gwĩkinyia, 15 marĩ a gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ na 5 nja ya bũrũri, acio angĩ magĩtanywo gwĩkinyia gũkinyĩria muthi wa ruciu.
It was interesting. It was not easy with the quality of the field, but it was just the beginning. From tomorrow, I hope to have all my players and to start to try to develop a good link-up and to find a good line-up for Ghana.
Kenya ĩrĩ namba 3 mũrũgamo-inĩ wa Group F, pointi 3 thutha wa Ghana arĩa marĩ gacũmbĩrĩ ga gĩkundi gĩkĩ, namba 2 arĩ Sierra Leone na mũthia bũrũri wa Ethiopia.
Game itakuwa rahisi, tutacheza one of the best teams, but football being football, I think mentally kama tutakuwa mentally strong tunaweza chukua win kwa sababu tuko home na pia ndio chances zetu za kwenda AFCON ziwe haya, lazima tu tushinde.
Nadhani ansikimu mjiji mara mwisho kucheza hapa mlikuwa lini, nadhani ni game kubwa, so support yao bado itasaidia sika wachezaji. Tunajua hapa kila player mwenye anapata chance najua after dakika mwisho mafano rudi home ni kama furahia.
Gukiri uguo kocha Sebastian Migne uria ni gibarua giake kia mbere kuma riria ayukirie matamu motongoria ta kocha munene wa Harambee Stars, no muhaka ahote ngucanio ĩno niguo gwetha mweke wa gukanyita itemi mbĩtĩka-inĩ cia kweherania gĩtarũ-inĩ kia Africa mwaka twerekeire bũrũri-inĩ wa Cameroon. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV haro-inĩ, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwĩhaki wa Ndogo.